Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Hansoo, and today I'd like to talk about this Syngonium plant. Syngonium is a great indoor plant that can grow well at home. It has beautiful green with white variegation on the foliage, and when they grow well, it's like watching a bundle of flowers. But as it is fast-growing climbing plant, once it grows bigger, it tends to lean and looks a little mess. So I'm going to put Totem to make it straight and neat. In the beginning, I was planning to put any Totem, but I changed my mind because I wanted to make this too thicker and taller. Anyway, we'll talk about this sooner. To make this as I planned, I need few stuffs like another Syngonium, potting mix, and bigger pot. At first, I decided to transfer to bigger pot. So the plant can absorb more nutrition from the potting mix. This is the original one that I was considering to use for support. But as it was a little thinner, I decided to make it bigger by myself. Prepared mesh, assume the rough size of the totem, cut the mesh with nippers. And place sphagnum moss. Coconut fiber. And put some potting mix. Put the totem and wrap it up. If you want to know more detailed way, click the link on the top. Anyway, put the totem at the center and arrange the plant. And the rest is just filling up the potting mix in a pot. Tie the plant with totem, but not tie too much. Clean the damaged foliage. And for the last, give fertilizer. Right now it is not really big yet, but once they climb up till end, it will be amazing, I think. Thank you for watching my video, and see you later.